Hi everyone, so excuse the bed, I haven't made it. The bedding is in the wash. So I've been shopping, I don't know if you can tell, at Homebase, B&M and Wilko because I forgot to get lights. So I've dragged my mum shopping for a couple of hours, so thank you. My bad. So tree reveal. I might need to go find some scissors. Tree reveal, look what I got. It is pink. I mean, no one will be shocked by this because I love pink, as you can tell. But yeah, I'm going to try and squeeze this 6-foot tree into my room. So it's going in this, which means I can't access that wardrobe. So I've taken a few pairs of jeans out, shoved them in there, and then taken 2 coats out, so that's why one's just chilling on the side of this wardrobe. So I managed to get this tree second hand off someone who obviously changed their mind and didn't want the pink one, so I got it brand new, better than half price, so we love to see it. And then I got pink decorations. Okay, I'm gonna go find my scissors. Found them. Now I can't even use my ring light because I've put it behind my desk so that when I stream games it'll be clear, so it's quite hard to access to keep bringing it in and out, so big brain time didn't come into play. Oh yeah, this tree was originally from Homebase as well, but it's sold out now. How does one open a Christmas tree box? Oh no! It ripped. Alright, I'm just gonna use the scissors. Oh, also I have Disney Christmas decorations, but they're at the loft, so I will get those later, so I'm just gonna use what I have at the moment. I don't know how to open this. Oh, do I just... Oh, sideways. It's such a nice shade of pink. It's such a nice... Wait, okay. I think it's probably the same shade as my jumper. That was a lot of effort just to open the box. Stand. Okay, bag. What's this for? Don't know what that red thing's for. Oh, let me read it. That's kind of tiring, not gonna lie. It is recommended that 2 people assemble this item. It's just me. Insert the bottom tree. What's the strap for? Oh, here we go. The scarf. Oh, that's really clever. So it holds all of the branches up so that you can dress part of a tree without it being affected. That's cool. Okay. Oh no, video. Which one's the biggest? I don't know. Alright, I'll do the stand. How do you figure out which tree is the big one? I feel like it's this. Maybe. Which one's the big one? This one. Wait, what? I think that's right. Obviously you need to separate them all. I'm going to put this on them. Numero uno. Done. Kind of. So it would appear that that isn't the right one. Okay, so need to unscrew it. Let me know the right one. Okay, I don't know, I'm confused. Whoa, it's definitely a big one. Oh, this is massive. Okay, so I'm gonna screw this in without impeding myself. So this is it, pre-fluffed. Okay, so now I'm gonna fluff all the branches so it looks less gappy, I guess. Do we start from the bottom or the top? I'm gonna start from the top because why not? Also, I don't know if you can see it, but I've got a sign just above the wardrobe door saying pink isn't just a colour, it's an attitude, so I love that this is right below it. Also, I don't have a tree topper for this video because I've ordered one off of eBay. It's Tinkerbell with a star, it's adorable, but yeah. I don't know if I was supposed to start at the bottom. I don't know how you... I don't know. Okay. I'm only at the top and I'm already tired. How's she looking? Which one's the top? I don't know which one's supposed to be the pointy up top branch. Is that a bit short? I'll leave it that for now, so I'll start in the middle. How do I get to the back? Okay, so that was me decorating my pink Christmas tree. It's looking okay. I've still got Disney decorations that I might put on. I want to change something about the bottom. It seems like the lights are too close together here, so I'm gonna tweak that. I decided against using tinsel. I'm not sure. I feel like it needed to go on before the lights if I was going to use it, or I might find like a thin tinsel to put on. And obviously still waiting for the tree topper, but no, I think it looks okay. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I post. I post videos every Wednesday, or try to. Sometimes I forget or run out of time, or for some reason it doesn't happen, but I'm trying to post every Wednesday. So this is my Christmas tree. Still a bit gappy in places. My mum's probably going to come in and change everything around anyway, but yeah, that's how it looks at the moment.